section, we are trying to locate where construction work gets to on the Ogun State corridor. Yeah. This is what we go through to give you updates on this project. It's not easy. This place is more shallow than, yeah, but you get up is more shallow and deeper. Please, this is what we go through. It's fun, but to some extent, but this is what we go through to give you updates on this project. This is how far we go, and sometimes this is the risk we go through. Please like and subscribe to our channel. You know, myself and Gola, we are here. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you, and God bless.
Welcome back to my channel. If you are passionate about infrastructure development, major construction projects, and the transformation happening across Nigeria, this channel is the right place for you. In this video, I'm taking you back to Section 2 of the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway, as the major construction work has completed in Section 1. Focus is now on Section 2. In our previous episode, we documented the construction progress from kilometer 87 to 88 down to kilometer 93 at Igbogu, where concrete pavement has reached a significant milestone. Today, we return to the project site to see how much progress has been made since we left. The construction front has continued to move forward. Beyond paving operations, sand filling, soil stabilization, up to rebar installation and drainage construction are ongoing respectively at Imoson. We also follow the active earthworks as the project approaches Aborigi, which is the boundary between Lagos and Ogun State, marking the beginning of Section 4A. Before I take you further, kindly like, share and subscribe to this channel. I'll be right back.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is another day on Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway. I'm at Section 2 on Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway here at Imoson, when you are heading closer to Ogun State border. So here now is channel 96, getting closer to channel as we are approaching between channel 96 and channel 97. So as it is now, the road has been graded, in fact motorable. Very soon we have it graded with CRCP. It's already ready for stone base laying and then iron casting before CRCP work gets here. So this is channel 97. In fact, the access road, the old road has been abandoned, though it's not in a good shape, but it has been abandoned, and vehicular movement is now diverted to the main Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway. So this place is the Lagos State section of Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway is actively expanding. Work is going on a daily basis. Ahead is approaching kilometer 100, channel 100, where Section 4A begins from.
Though the channel signpost that showed the exact number of kilometers, but significant advancement of concrete pavement is visible since our last visit. Concrete paving has now advanced from kilometer 93 at Igbogu to approximately 96 at Imoson, adding another 3 kilometers of completed carriageway. yet unpaved sections are already prepared and undergone stone base. Some already have rebars installed, which indicate their readiness for concrete paving. Another critical aspect of this project is taking shape at Imoson. The construction teams are actively developing the highway drainage infrastructure. Proper drainage is essential for any major road project, but it becomes more important in coastal terrain where seasonal rainfall and higher groundwater levels can threaten the stability of the road. The drainage channels being constructed here will help control surface runoff, protect the pavement structure, and improve the long-term performance of the highway. Every culvert, channel, and drainage outlet plays a vital role in ensuring this road remains safe and durable for decades to come. Leaving Imoson behind, we continue our journey towards one of the most symbolic locations along this corridor. The point where the Lagos section ends, which is Aboreji, and Ogun State begins, which is Odeomi.
The corridor I am now is between Ogun State and Lagos State. This section is where we're having the end of the Lagos State. Why Ogun State begins. Behind me is when you are entering Ogun State section. While this side is on your way from Lagos State. Behind, we already have CRCP work completed till Channage 96-97. So and Channage 100 is where Lagos State ends. So in less than 3-4 kilometers to complete the Lagos State section with a CRCP. So from here now, we are already moving closer to Ogun State.
Though the end and the beginning point is not visible for now, here construction activities remains intense. Heavy-duty excavators, dredgers are transforming what was once a natural coastal terrain into the foundation of Africa's largest project. Crossing into Ogun State marks the beginning of Section 4A of the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway. The transition is more than a change in geography. It marks the project's continued expansion beyond Lagos into another key segment of the Nigerian coastal corridor. Construction are already progressed significantly. Large-scale excavation, embankment formation, and sand filling as engineers are working to establish the foundation for future pavement operations. The scale of these earthworks provide a glimpse of what will eventually become another major stretch of the national infrastructure project. Our journey eventually brings us to Olokola.
So we are trying to locate where construction work gets to on the Ogun State corridor. Yeah. This is what we go through to give you updates on this project. It's not easy. This place is more shallow than, yeah, but you get. More shallow and deeper. Please, this is what we go through. It's fun, but to some extent, but this is what we go through to give you updates on this project. This is how far we go. And sometimes this is the risk we go through. Please like and subscribe to our channel. You know, myself and Bola, we are here. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you and God bless. This is around Ogun State corridor. We are a little bit far away from Lagos State, where channel 100 ends. So we're a little bit ahead, going closer to Ogun State section of the road. This is section 4A of Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway. You can see this particular section has already undergone alignment. This is the first stage. The road is aligned here already, and this particular section, this place is around Olokola. We all know Olokola, where the massive development is underway. In fact, we are not even far away from the OKLND. Is ahead, where it's ahead of me here. It's just few meters away.
Just a short distance from the highway alignment lies the former OKLNG project office, once envisioned as the operational headquarters of one of Africa's most ambitious liquefied natural gas projects. Although the project never completed, the location remains strategically important. The Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway passes close to this same corridor, eventually creating a vital transportation link for future industrial and economic development should the area be revitalized. The proximity of the highway to the Olokola Industrial Corridor highlights one of the broader objectives of this project, not simply connecting cities, but unlocking economic opportunities across Nigeria's coastline. Here at Olokola, construction activity is clearly visible. The highway corridor has already been carved through dense coastal vegetation, revealing the enormous footprint required for what will become a modern dual carriageway designed to carry thousands of heavy vehicles every day. Sand filling, soil stabilization, and concrete pavement has not yet reached this section. The preparatory works are progressing steadily. This is the alignment stage, the foundation upon which every other phase of construction depends. Engineers have completed the extensive surveying, establishing the highway central line and shaping the corridor to its final stage width. As work progresses, we will continue documenting every major milestone, every engineering achievement, and every step towards completing one of the Nigeria's most significant infrastructure projects. If you enjoyed this video, this is where I will stop for now. In my next video, I will be showing you our journey back from Imoson to Otolu, where concrete pavement is ongoing, and down to the Dangote refinery corridor, where we have the 8 km left connecting the stretch. As construction continues, we are planning to extend our coverage beyond the southwest corridor to the other region where this project is ongoing, which are Calabar and Akwa Ibom. For support and sponsorship, details are in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notification. so you never miss any of our next journey along the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway. Thank you for watching.